This is part 2 of solving a Rubik's Cube. If you haven't watched the first part, I would recommend to watch it, and let's start. So this is part 2. In this part I will show you how to solve the upper layer of the Rubik's Cube. So the first thing is that you have to do a cross on the yellow side, as I showed on the first part, which we did on the white side when we wanted to start finishing the cube. So first thing, if you have an L, you do it like this. Not like an L, but to the left. Now you do this to the right, and then we go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, and we go back. So now we have this cross. It could also happen that it's just a line. Just do it not this, but this, and do the same thing. Up, right, down, right. And then it's finished. But it's not right. Well, you see, there's green, but the rest is not right. What we do is pretty simple. First thing, blue is on the opposite side of green. And if it's on the right side, you do this. Up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Now it's finished. It could be that it's not finished, and I'll show you how to do it on the left side. So for example, now blue is not on the right side, but on the left side. So it's the same thing, but on the left. So you do it up, right, down, right, up, right, right, down. And now it's finished. It could also happen that two of these edges on the last side, are not right. The others two are right. What we do is simple too. So first thing, we hold it like this and do this to the right, like I showed a few times. You can do it to the left too, but I show it to the right. You can do it right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, and then stop. Only 2 times. Then we go back, rotate the cube 180 degrees, and do it 1 time more. So do it to the right and do it more up, left, down, right, and back. Then put it to the right spot, and it's finished. So you see now one corner is already finished, so this is easy. Everything is pretty simple, so it doesn't matter if there are no corners correct or are corners correct. So if you have one corner correct, you do this. Because you have to switch these 3, you do this. You hold it like this, that on this left edge, corner, the left corner on the down side to you, on the down left, is right, and the other 3 have to be switched. Now we do this. Right, down, this to the right, up, down, 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 down. It looks finished, but it's not. So we do it 1 time more and then it's finished. Then they are on the right spot. Up, this, 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 and now it's finished. So now we have the last 2 corners, but they're on the perfect spot. So I will show it to you, but I want to show you something else. So if you have two corners that have to be switched on each side, you have to do this. You do it to the right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, and right. And that's it. Now they are switched, and that's it. If you have no corners correct, you can just swap two on each side as I showed on both sides, and then one will be correct. So if you have no correct and they can't just switch like this on each side and there be correct, you just do this trick again, like I showed, to swap two on each side, or just do three corner switch, so you get one right and then you can do it. So for example, like you have no right, no corner right, you can just swap all these like this, as I showed, to swap these. And then they could be all finished like this, or maybe just one is correct, and then I showed how to swap these three corners. Now on the last step, if you have all these corners on the right spot, but they're not turned, you just have to do it like this. So you have this corner you want to rotate, so it's right. Do this. Do it down. This under layer left. Up. Right. Down. Left. Up. Right. Now you see yellow is not here but there, but we need it on the upper side. So we do it again. Down. Left. Up. Right. Down. Left. Up. Right. So now that you finished, we do the next. So you can also do it like this, if that you turn it upside down and do like some things we did: up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And just do it until it's finished, but don't forget the last right. If you forget it, it will scramble again. But if you already have finished all these corners but not the edges, and you have to swap these and these, just do this, because blue has to go to green where the green is, so they have to swap, and these two. You do this: up, up, left, up, two times, up, right, up. So that's it. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments, and see you next time.